Hey guys, I'm back. It's Chris once again, and welcome to Chris Page's channel. So today I'm going to do a different video. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on how to save or back up all your photos and videos on your Facebook using your laptop or desktop device, which is your computer, and your mobile device, which is your phone or probably your pad or your tablet. Okay, so part one of this would be, again, Facebook, how to back up your photos and videos using your laptop, your desktop, or your computer. And part two is how to back up your Facebook account, I mean your videos and your photos using your mobile device, which is your phone, your pad, or your tablet. So stick around and finish the video. And again, thank you for subscribing to my channel. All right, so like and subscribe. I'll see you soon. Thanks, guys. Hey guys, it's Chris once again. So thanks for visiting this channel. Today I'm gonna make a very quick tutorial on how to save or back up your photos and your videos. There will be like an inverted triangle icon. So you go ahead and click this one. You want to go to settings. So double click on settings. All right. So now you arrive to another page. It's the general account settings. On the left hand side of your screen right here, and again, you hit the one that says your Facebook information. Go ahead and click that tab. All you have to do is go to transfer a copy of your photos, videos. So it has to be right here. Transfer a photo, and you hit view. Okay, now it asks to re-enter your password. Okay, this is one of the security features of the apps. Of course, you don't want people stealing or hacking your personal photos and videos, right? So go ahead and put your password in there. Okay, now on the next page, it says now transfer a copy of your photos and videos. So right here. So all you have to do is choose to download your information. Now guys, if you know where to save it, let's say at the bottom it says choose destination, you can always go there, and if you want to save it on your Google Photos, then go ahead, okay? But just for the sake of the tutorial, we're going to do the download your information. All right, so go ahead and click the download your information. Now on the download information, you have two tabs, right? Right, so there's a default here. The photos are already ticked, or there was a check mark already, right? So if you don't see anything in there, right, if you see all the stuffs right here, just go ahead and there's a mark box there. You just put a tick or check mark, right? And now the data range, right? You go to request copy. This will be the default configuration. So it has to be all of my data. All of my data or data if you want to. Then the format would be HTML and the media quality would be high. So after you have configured that, then you go create file. Okay, so you go create file. There was a notification pop-up. It says your Facebook information file is ready to download. Okay, just in case this one won't show, right, while you were in a wait, you can always go to the bell notification icon right here. So a while ago, see, now it says your Facebook information file is ready to download. A while ago we don't have this one, but now we have. Then go ahead and click the download. Now you go to the download information, right? So we just did this one, right? Today is June 6, 2020. And you would see here it says download, right? file is less than 1 MB. And guys, you go over here. You see this one? It says Facebook zip file. So it created, once you hit the download button, then it will create for a Facebook zip file. Okay. So where the file goes, normally the default, it always go to your download folder. So go to your file explorer or window explorer. So right there, and then go downloads, and you would see there the file. Okay, in this case I think I pressed it like twice. So just in case. Anyway, so just double click that file. It says Facebook, right? It's the WinZip file. If it says WinRAR, don't worry about it, because it's the same. A zip file and an RAR, right, is most likely the same file. So now you have that files that you just backed up. So just check, that's your photos and videos, right? Say extract, and just say unzip to desktop. Just unzip there, anywhere in the desktop, and that's it. So there it goes, it's on the desktop right here, and that will be your file. Okay, I hope this one it's clear enough for you, right? If not, just comment down below and just ask me if it's unclear. Then I will be happy to answer you back on your comments. Hit like and subscribe, and thank you so much.